In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, then go to the settings, here find and select apps and notifications, go to special app access and market, and here you will notice install unknown apps. Click on it, and as you can see here you can pick some particular application and give it permission by tapping on allow from the source, and just pick the application that you would like to install some app from, allow from the source, and this is it. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate installations of apps from unknown sources. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.